Stir in style, pour on comfort, top with luxury. And you've got the Vista Starkville, the perfect recipe for elevated student living in Starkville. These 1, 2, and 4 bedroom apartments, studios, and en-suites boast hardwood-style floors, spacious walk-in closets, and a smart TV for all your binge-watching missions. Hit the 24-hour athletic club or unwind in the yoga studio. Then power through assignments in the computer lab or study suites, fueled by a caffeine fix from the Starbucks machine. When boredom strikes, take on outdoor games, chill at the clubhouse, dive into resort-style pool with cabanas, or catch golden hour views at the Sky Club Lounge. With controlled access, reliable internet, on-call support, and an EV charging station, unlock convenience with inclusive utilities. Mississippi State University and the Graduate School Mississippi State University are located nearby, making your trips to class easy. You can get around the city seamlessly with Starkville MSU Area Rapid Transit. So, secure your spot at the Vista Starkville via amberstudent.com today.